Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's pick a card reading is about who is coming towards you. So, we have 3 piles in front of you. Pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So, for those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile by looking at the crystals or with the number pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3, or with your intuition as well, the pile you feel most drawn to, most attracted to, or with timestamps if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now, meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Pause the video if you'd like to. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you're done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and who is coming towards you. So we will look into the messages from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle and the Romance Oracle later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So pile 1 from the Tarot deck, we have for you the Two of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Knight of Pentacles. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Eight of Pentacles. We have the Lover's card as well. Okay. Then we have the Five of Wands. We have the Judgment card. Okay. And we have the Seven of Swords. Okay. I feel that some of you could be in a long distance relationship if you are already in a relationship. Yes. Or the one who is coming towards you, they could, live in another country, or they could live in another city as well. But yes, there is some geographical, distance between you both. I feel so. Okay, so yes. So pile 1, I feel that the one who is coming towards you, yes, they are someone, who is a visionary and someone who is very mature as well, who has achieved a lot in their life, a very hardworking person, yes, and also they are very, yes, intellectual, practical as well, and yes, very logical person. And I feel that they have worked, really hard to be there, like where they are now in that position. Yes, they have worked really hard for that success. And also I feel that, they love to live a very comfortable life. Yes, materialistically, financially, I feel that they are very sound as well. Yes. And yes, they are very responsible person. But yes, I feel that for some of you, they could be like very short-tempered, little argumentative, a little domineering kind of person as well. But yes, they are, somewhat inclined towards spirituality as well. Yes. And yes, but for others of you, yes, they are quite peaceful person as well, a very calm person. But I feel that they might be they could have some conflicts going on, could be at their workplace or in their family as well. I feel there are some conflicts. I feel that you both already know each other, like, yes, and there are some problems in their life, in their family, or could be at work. Yes, and yes, they are very, yes, romantic person as well. And also I feel that they will be a traveler. Like, I feel that they have been to a lot of countries, they have traveled a lot, has lot of experiences to share with other people. Yes, and also I feel that they are really attracted to your beauty, Palwan, and also towards they are also attracted to your simplicity. But yes, for some of you, I feel that there could be an age gap between you both. Also, yes, I feel that, my viewers, you are a very emotional person. For some of you, yes, this could be a new person coming in towards you. But yes, they are very honest person, very loyal and very trustworthy. Yes, someone who is very reliable as well. Now let's see what messages we have for you, pile 1 from the Romance Angels. So we have for you, love yourself first. Your self-respects make you more romantically attractive. Yes, and we have codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Okay. Then we have romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay, then we have heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Okay. And we have healing family issues. Okay, as I told you earlier, yes, some of you could already know this person, and yes, they are having some issues in their life going on. Yes. So, pile 1, I feel that yes, you need to love yourself first. Yes, focus on your self-care, and also start valuing yourself. Yes, because the more you love yourself, the more that person, they are going to come towards you. And also I feel that that person, they are going to make you very independent and very confident person as well. Yes, and yes, I feel that as I told you earlier, I feel that my viewers are very emotional person. I feel that you people are counting on them to be to bring you that happiness, instead of focusing on yourself, on your self-love, and in your own career, or yes, in your own life. So yes, you need to let things flow naturally, let everything flow, unfold on its own. Yes, and yes, they will have a lot of love and romantic feelings towards you. Yes, they are going to love you a lot. As I told you earlier, they are very attracted to your simplicity, towards your beauty. Yes, and this relationship is also going to make you grow spiritually as well. Yes, and yes, I feel that they are going to discuss about their feelings very honestly with you. I feel that both of you are going to have a very good understanding as well. Yes, if this is a new person, yes. And also, yes, for some of you, like, there could be some family issues as well. If you're waiting for your ex, then pile one, I feel that they could be trying, to convince the family to heal some family issues. Also, pile one, I feel that, you both need to, let go of past anger, any grudges if you have been holding on towards each other family. Or I feel that, could be your parents or could be their parents, they could be affecting your love life. So pile one, there is there's like no point, like holding on to anger, and because it's good to save the relationship, rather than holding on to any past anger, pain. Yes, forgive each other parents if that is what affecting your love life, because you people have a very good understanding, I feel, and that person is also very loyal and very lovable. Yes, if for those of you, yes, if this is a new person, then yes, that person is very loving towards you, they have romantic feelings towards you. But yes, you need to focus on your self-love as well. Yes, focus on your own life as well. Yes. Okay. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. So from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, pile 1, we have for you Peacekeeper, let go of the need to be right. Okay. Then we have White Witch, be the light. Okay. And we have the Broken Arrow, embrace the energy of peace. Okay. So yes, pile 1, I feel the one that is coming towards you, like they are going to be someone who is very gentle, a very loving soul, and I feel that they try to avoid as much as they can, like they try to avoid any drama, any negativity, any fight, and also the need to be right as well. And they try to create peace with everyone around them. Yes, but I feel in their family there could be like someone, yes, could be their mother or sibling, like there are some issues. Yes, and but yes, they themselves, they are a very peaceful person from within. Yes, and also I feel in this relationship, the one who is going to come towards you, pile 1, so that person, they are going to make this relationship peaceful and harmony as well. Yes, also for some of you, it could be like they could have children, or for some of you I feel that they could have lost their father, I feel. Yes, they could have lost their father, but yes, they are someone who always wish the good for other people. Yes, they not only do good things for themselves, but they wish and they try to do good to other people as well. Yes, they are very wise person as well, and they have a lot of experiences to share. Yes, and they are going to love you so much. Yes, and you people have a very good understanding as well. Yes, and this relationship is going to be peaceful between the both of you. But yes, there could be some family issues. So yes, that was all for you, pile 1. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 1. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2. For those of you who choose this crystal, now let's see what messages we have for you and who is coming towards you. So we will look into the messages from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle and the Romance Angels later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So from the Tarot deck, pile 2, we have for you the Knight of Cups. Okay. Then we have the King of Swords. Okay. We have the Page of Cups as well. Okay. We have the Queen of Pentacles. We have the Five of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Nine of Swords. We have the Eight of Swords. Okay. And we have the Ace of Swords. Okay. So pile 2, I feel that the one who is coming towards you, like they will be a very creative person, but yes, they will be very emotional as well, and someone who is very intuitive as well. Yes, and also they will be very logical, very ambitious person. Yes, someone who is very good in their career. Yes, and also for some of you, they could be into business as well, I feel. Yes, yes, very good with finances and financially very sound. Yes. Also, yes, I feel that when this new person they come into your life, like it will be like they come into your life and they offer you their love, and things really move into the next level. Yes, they really wanted a future with you. Yes, and yes, they wanted to take this to the next level. Also, they are going to be someone who is very kind, who is very helpful, and someone who loves nature as well. Yes, and I feel that they are very strong people, and yes, and someone who can withstand anything that comes their way. Yes, for some of you, yes, this could be a new person, but for others, I feel that this could be someone from your past. Yes, they could come back, and I think that or yes, I feel that your relationship, that is going to yes, renewal of existing relationship as well. Yes, for some of you, because I feel that something might have happened between both of you, and you both could be in no contact, or you both could have like take some break from each other. Yes, but or could have ended your relationship as well in the past, but now that person is coming towards you. They are offering you their love. Yes, and they want to take this to the next level as well. Yes, so for some of you, yes, your relationship is going to improve as well. Yes, but for others, for whom this is going to be a new person, I feel they are going to come into your life when you are out of this negative energy. Yes, because I feel that my viewers are really worried, and they feel like nothing is moving forward, and they are trapped in stuck somewhere. Like also I feel that my viewers, some of you could be working really hard to build that finances for your income as well. Yes, and in your career, I feel that you are having some problems as well. And also in your love life, you are you may have faced something that is causing you a lot of worry. You could be thinking about like when that person is going to come, or when will I get married. Yes, you are having thoughts like that, and you are really worried. Yes, and you are not able to see clearly, and you are not able to focus on any other things in your life as well. Yes, so you need to come out of this negative energy, and yes, and you need to have you need to be really clear about what is that you want in your life, in your relationship. Yes, what are the things that you are going to accept and not accept in your relationship. So you need to be really clear about what is that you want. Yes, and yes, and that new person, when they come into your life, yes, or even for some of you, when your past lover, they come back into your life. Yes, your ex come back, then you need to be really clear about what is that you are going to accept in your relationship, so that your relationship could move in positive directions. Yes, because I see that yes, new beginning is coming into your life. And yes, for a lot of you, I feel that yes, your ex is going to come back into your life. So you need to be really clear about what is that you need in your relationship. Yes, so now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So from the romance angels pile 2, we have for you engagement. Okay, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. As I told you earlier, yes, even if this is a new person, then yes, it will be like they come into your life and they offer you their love, and yes, they wanted it to take this relationship to the next level. And then we have make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Okay, then we have worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your life. Okay, and we have keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual types and expectations. Okay, so yes, pile 2, new beginnings are ahead in your life. Yes, and that new person, or even for those of you, your ex is coming back. Yes, they wanted to take this relationship to the next level, but yes, you need to make the effort from your side as well. For those of you, who are single right now, yes, you need to get out of this energy. Yes, you need to let go of any past pain, and yes, any tension. Yes, and you need to focus on your career, you need to focus on yourself as well, and you need to have that clarity of thoughts as well. Yes, and you need to make that step towards your future. Yes, and angels, they are guiding you that yes, it is going to happen, that love is going to come into your life when the time is going to be right for you. Yes, it is going to happen in the divine timing. Yes, that is what angels are guiding you. And also angels are guiding you that you need to keep an open mind, because for those of you who are single right now, for those of you this is a new person, that person, it could be different from your past. If you have been in a past relationship, like, it would be different from your ex. And for those of you, for whom this is a new person, yes, that person is going to be very different from you. Like, they could be different in lifestyles, or they could be different from what you expected from how your life partner should be like. Yes, that person is going to be very different. So you need to keep an open mind, and pile 2, you need to get out of this energy. Yes, and yes, you need to focus on yourself, your career. Yes, because that relation is coming towards you, but it is going to come in the divine timing. There is no point in causing you unnecessary worries. Yes, because it is only going to attract more and more a negative energy. Yes, so focus on having positive thoughts, focus on your self-care, go out in the nature as well, spend some time in nature. Yes, keep thinking positive thoughts, pile 2. Yes, because that love is going to come into your life. And yes, we have the engagement card as well, so some of you are going to move that relationship into the next level very soon. So now let's see what messages we have for you from the angels and ancestors oracle, pile 2. So we have for you mountains, stand your ground. Okay, then we have protection guardian, drop your shields. Okay, then we have animal guardian, trust your instincts. Okay, and we have the high priest, intend and create. Yes, and we have the shield maiden, make plans and focus. Okay, so yes, I feel that that person who is coming towards you, they are going to be very strong person, and they are going to be very firm in their decision as well. And also they know how to enjoy and have fun. And yes, they will also help you for you to shine out, for you to grow in your own life. Yes, in your career as well. And they will bring out the gifts and talents that you have within you. Yes, a very strong person, pile 2. And also angels, they are guiding you that you need to listen to your inner voice as well, because yes, you have that power, yes, that is within you to create what you thought. Yes, and also with this high priest card, I feel that that person is also going to be a very spiritual person as well. yes, very intuitive. Yes, and also you need to listen to your inner voice and you need to get out of this energy. Yes, you need to keep an open mind. Yes, and yes, that person, that person is very strong. And also I feel that pile 2, uh, angels wants you to know that yes, you have a warrior heart. And before you move ahead, pile 2, you need to be really clear about your thoughts, and you need to make plans and take the steps, yes, that you need to take. And also you need to take some time and think, yes, very carefully, yes, before you make that next step forward. And know that angels, they are supporting you. Yes, you are being supported by the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if you like my reading, if the messages resonated with you, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 3, for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and who is coming towards you. So we will look into the messages from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle and the Romance Angels later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So from the Tarot deck, pile 3, we have for you the Hierophant. Okay. Then we have the Devil card. Okay. We have the Eight of Wands. Then we have the Five of Swords. We have the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Ten of Swords. Okay. We have the Knight of Swords. We have the Two of Cups. Wow. And we have the Four of Wands. Okay. So yes, pile 3, I feel that the one who is coming towards you, yes, they are going to be very wise person, someone who is very educated and who has all that knowledge, and yes, and someone who is full of wisdom as well. Yes, but I feel that pile 3, if you already know this person, if for those of you who who is waiting for their ex, or yes, who have been separated, like I feel that someone could be trying to control this relationship. Yes, could be their parents, or also it could be because of they are really focused in their career right now. Yes, and that could be also affecting your relationship. Yes, but yes, for those of you for whom this is a new person, then yes, that new person is coming towards you, and I see that travel is involved in this relationship. Yes, that person is going to travel from somewhere far, like I feel that they could leave overseas, yes, and yes, but I feel that my viewers, those of you who are waiting for their ex, like, yes, you could or they could, or yes, you both could end your relationship, yes, and also because of that, you people could be feeling very you could be feeling very dissatisfied and very uh, unhappy emotionally, yes, and you might feel like that, maybe you are not lovable and you don't deserve love, yes, you could be in a very negative energy. So pile 3, yes, you need to come out of that worry and that tension, yes, you need to come out of that energy, and you need to focus on having positive thoughts, yes, and because I see that there is going to be a new beginning in your life, yes, someone new is going to come into your life. I feel that for those of you who are waiting for their ex, like, you are going to end your relationship and someone new is, yes, definitely coming into your life, yes, and angels, they are going to bless you with this new person who is going to be your soulmate, yes, they are going to be very loving, very caring, and very understanding as well, like you both will have, like, you both are going to be like equal partners, you both have very understanding and equal give and take in this relationship. Also, I feel that financially, yes, they are going to be very sound, and also this relationship, pile 3, it is going to make you both grow as an individual. Also, it is going to grow your spiritual side as well, yes, this is this relationship, the one that is going to come into your life, this relationship is being blessed up by the angels, yes, and yes, also I feel that this relationship is not going to be like your ex, like for those of you who were already in relationship, like that person, your ex could be like in and out of relationship, but with this new person it is not going to be like that. They are going to offer you that solid foundation, yes, with them you are going to, with this new person, you are going to find that stability, that security as well, not only financially, but they are going to offer you that stability emotionally as well, yes, you are going to be emotionally very happy, yes, this relationship is going to make you very happy, and they are going to give you that beautiful home, and also yes, children, yes, your life is really heading towards a very beautiful future, pile 3, yes, yes, and also I feel that they are going to come towards you, they are going to offer you and express their love, and also some of you could like really take this new relationship into marriage very soon, yes, and yes, you are going to live a very comfortable life, yes, because that new person is financially very good and a very good provider as well. So now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So from the romance angels, pile 3, we have for you: release your ex. Okay, the time has come to clear your energy. Then we have religious factors. Okay, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Okay. Then we have very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay. We have let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. And we have trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Okay. So yes, pile 3, angels, they are guiding you that yes, you need to release your ex, and also you need to heal yourself, and not only emotionally but also energetically as well. And also you need to let go of anything that is not for your highest good. Yes, that is not serving you. Pile 3 also, angels, they are asking you that if there is anything from your past, like could be gifts, some letters, like angels, they are asking you that you need to let go of those memories and those things as well. You need to clear yourself energetically as well. For some of you, like it could be your religious factors could be influencing for those of you who are waiting for your ex. Like yes, both of you could be from different religion. Yes, or you could have different beliefs, your thought patterns, or also could be because of your family. Like you both have very different beliefs. Yes, so that is also could be affecting your relationship. Yes, because I feel that the one whom you are going to begin your future, that is going to be a new person, pile 3. Yes, and very soon. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to be really clear about what you want. Yes, and you need to let go of your past as well, so that it comes to you very soon. Yes, because that person is coming towards you. Yes, and so you need to be really clear about what is that you want in your life, so that when they come into your life, when they come towards you, you have been healed yourself emotionally as well, and you could you could see the love that they are offering towards you. Yes, and also we have this let your friends help you. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that for some of you it could be like you could meet this new person through your friends. Like you both could have mutual friends, or it could be like you could go out somewhere, like you could travel. Yes, as I told you earlier, there is some travel involved. So it could be like you could go out in vacation or for a holiday, and you could meet this new person. So yes, let your friends help you. That is what angels are guiding you. And also we have the trust card. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to have trust in yourself, and you need to have faith and trust in the angels as well. Yes, ask for ask for anything that is not serving you, and that what is that what you want to the angels, and have faith in them, and surrender everything to them, because yes, they are going to bless you with this soulmate relationship. Yes, a very beautiful energy, pile 3. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. So from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, pile 3, we have for you direction, guardian, choose your path. Okay, so yes, angels, they are guiding you that yes, you need to be really clear about what is that you want in life, and you need to choose the path that feels, right to you. And you need to, connect with your desire, your wish, what is that you want in your life, in your love life. And you need to choose, you need to make that decision with your heart as well, and choose that path, that is going to make you happy. Yes. And we have the water guardian, connect with your emotions. Okay. Then we have moon, take note of intuitive messages. Okay. And we have fire guardian, ignite your passions. Okay. So see, pile 3, angels, they are guiding you that you need to choose your path. You need to, choose that path that is going to make you happy. And yes, they are telling you that you need to connect with your emotions. You need to take note of intuitive messages. So yes, pile 3, right now you are feeling, too many emotions. Yes, could be some sad emotions, could be some happy emotions as well, but you need to listen to your inner voice. You need to listen to the guidance that angels are giving you. Yes, you need to be really connected with your emotions right now. And you need to follow the path. You need to follow those inner guidance that feels, right to you. Yes. And that is for your own highest good. Yes, you need to be really clear about it. And yes, also, pile 3, you need to use your inner voice, your inner guidance, also to know that what is that, that is, blocking you from moving ahead in your love life as well. So be really connected with your emotions. Yes, know what is that your heart desires, pile 3. And also with this moon card, I feel that yes, things are going to be revealed to you very soon. Yes, things are going to be clear, and you could decide what is that you need to take action on. Yes, to move forward. Yes. And you need to really understand yourself. And also with this fire guardian, I feel that yes, this new relationship, it is going to be full of passion. Yes, there is going to be a lot of passion, a lot of romance in this relationship. And also this relationship is going to make you spiritually grow as well. So yes, a very beautiful person, yes, a very beautiful energy that is coming towards you. Yes, that is going to offer you stability, offer you marriage as well. We have the 4 of Wands. So yes, very beautiful energy, pile 3. But yes, you need to let go of your ex. Yes, you need to come out of this negative energy. Yes, keep thinking positive thoughts. Yes, and have trust in the angels, have trust in yourself that yes, your life is going to be full of happy times ahead. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.